Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you with another great design from Ganzo Firebird. So let's start. This is a Fh51 GY. So GY stands for the light slate gray color. I opted for, there are different colors available. There is a green, a black, carbon fiber, and also brown version. You will get your bag and also a silica packet. And this is yet one other beautiful executed design from Ganzo. This is for all you my friends who prefer a smaller knife. So we have an overall length of only 18.5, but they will give you a finger choil here so you can choke up even if you have a larger hand, so no problems there. But really beautifully executed, almost a spear point shape blade, but really functional. Maybe we can say it's modified sheep's foot. Let's see the specifications. So we have a blade length of 8.1 centimeters or 3.2 inches. The handle is 10.5 or 4.1 inch. The handle thickness is 1.2 centimeters or 0.47 inches. The blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inch. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. And the weight is around 80 grams or 2.8 ounces. So really nicely lightweight EDC carry. We have milled out liners that are nested, of course, to give extra protection and stability. We have a integrated lanyard hole, a beautiful made deep carry pocket clip. I love to have a deep carry pocket clip firstly, and secondly to have a functional pocket clip, because lots of companies are producing beautiful knives but don't spend much time to I don't know how to say, test it out or have a thought about the pocket clip. So that is a shame, a real shame. So let's see the pocket profile. So given that this is a smooth G10, you will have no problems of putting it inside your pocket. As you can see, this is how much it will stick out. Basically you see the screw and a little bit of the end of the knife. And I need to be honest, the G10 is not completely smooth. It has a texture, but it's a light grain texture, so nothing major. I would say this knife would look excellent in my Carta, and it would have a much nicer feel to it. But anyway, we have a nice EDC on our hands for sure, So you have your D2 blade steel, step up from previously used 440C, a huge step up in my opinion. So this will stay sharper much longer. They incorporated, like I mentioned, a finger choil or a sharpening choil, of course, and it just has a beautiful designed handle. I wish they will also produce a larger version of this, so let's say around 21 or 22 centimeters. Yeah, or a 8.5 inch or even a 9 inch, why not? Completely smooth, rides on ball bearings, opens without any problem. Okay, so Let's see some size comparisons. Of course, we have to compare this knife. So I have here my Tucson 111, Kershaw Skyline. Look, they are almost the same. Skyline is a little bit larger. And here is the Bug Vantage Pro. I have to mention Bug Vantage Pro has also a smaller version. Kershaw Shuffle 2. Okay, let's see. Benchmade small Griptilian. Large Griptilian will be significantly larger, of course. Delica, so it's almost a Delica size. Yeah, Delica's a little bit smaller, just a tiny bit smaller. And here's the Endura. Okay, and also let's see the K-Bar Dozier. Yeah, nicely sized, both. Great EDC knives, of course. Great EDC options. Price-wise, you are looking at around $28, depending on the preferred knife reseller. But I must say, if you do like a smaller EDC and you like this modified sheep's foot or spear point blades, then this is something you should really consider. And I have to say, you will be not disappointed. You will have no problems whatsoever. I have handled lots of Ganzos through the years. I'm a really avid collector of them, and I can strongly suggest to try one out and see for yourself. Okay, so if you have any questions, like always, keep them down below. I'm more than happy to reply. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you don't, then please subscribe. I am preparing lots of new videos. I try to release around 3 of them per week. This schedule could change in the future. Who knows? Maybe to more, maybe to less, depending on the stuff I have to review. Just that you know, this is my hobby, my passion. I'm not sponsored by anybody, so all these knives come from my own pocket. So yeah, and as always, have a nice day.